Today we'll discuss the most common method of smoking meats during a snowstorm in Wisconsin. First step is to crack open a cold one, specifically something good, like this one here. Then you move on to something a little more crisp and refreshing, like this one here. You really don't do anything different in the cooking process than you do in the summertime. Just an extra jacket and hat to keep warm, and maybe a couple 2-3 more beers. Looks good. You then finish off with a little taste from the Northwoods, eh?